what we observe, persons would have had challenges in, one, communicating with government. I'm not sure which ministry I should ask for certain information. And so what we did is debunked or made all of that simple. You don't need to know which ministry. You don't need to make a phone call. You could ask Anansi, Anansi.tt. You go on Anansi, ask Anansi any question you have on any service in government, whether cross-platform. And what Anansi does, it provides you with human-like responses that are smart and intelligent based on the question that you have asked. It could be something as complex as what are all of the grants that I can access? Or it could be something as simple as what is the contact number for my regional corporation? So what we have is one view, one place, one location that persons can access information of all services that government will provide. It is multilingual. You don't need to speak Queen's English to Anansi. We could use our written dialect. Hey, tell me about this. And Anansi understands your question and responds to you in a fashion accordingly. Persons don't need to know where to go to ask a question. You go to the one location and you will receive a response from Anansi, the artificial intelligence side. And if the artificial intelligence side doesn't have the answer, you can transfer to a human agent, or a ticket is created and the commitment is given by the human agent to take up your request and respond accordingly. Thus far, since its launch, just over 2 months ago, we have had well over 100,000 visits. Just under 17,000 requests were answered, and we have an 85% customer satisfaction rating on both the AI and the HI side. What Anansi did is reduce the dependency of the human agents by taking and addressing requests by the citizens of Trinidad and Tobago so that the live agents can perform higher value functions accordingly. What we have also done, we have integrated Anansi with e-appointments, the solution where citizens can make appointments to speak or meet with various persons within ministries, divisions, or agencies, so that you can interface with Anansi and make a request for an appointment. It will indicate the next available date, and then should you desire to proceed, you can then move forward to make that appointment. So Anansi is the first of its kind in the Caribbean, where we have a one-pane view of information for all of government services, layered with human intelligence. You can access Anansi via the ttconnect.gov.tt site. You can access it directly by going to anansi.gov.tt or anansi.tt. I don't think that interacting with government should be something that is onerous, and Anansi is a digital step in that direction, combining both artificial intelligence and human intelligence.